Hello there once again, and yeah, as you can see, I've got my hands on a nice little pre-release kit or pack from Modern Horizon 3 in English, and as this came a little bit damaged, yeah, I'm ripping it directly because normally I'd want to simply set it up in my drawer to look at and to collect it, but it's a little bit damaged, as you can see. So here's the code, like always, and let's see and open and see what we can get. Here's Hugin's Labyrinth. Got Herigast, the Nullkite, several different other stuff here, all in paper magic, let's say. You can say it like that. So yeah, we've got one of the violet dice, very nice. We've got ourselves a nice little box for cards, we'll use that later maybe. Here's one of the sellers and our pre-release promo card. This is for last. So let's see. First of 6 packs, let's see whether we could set up a good pack for that. If we would have opened it, Just Class, Foul Strike, Expel, Fanged Flames, this would be good. One of the good lands. Static Prison would be very good. The Witch Enchanter, the Null Drifter, strong thing, and the Phyrexian Golem. So I'd say we would go for Fanged Flames and Static Prison, but it's not a draft, it would be a sealed. So these would be the strong cards for now. We've got the Utter Insignificant, the Grave Deck, the Malevolent Rumble. This one is a strong card, helped me win several times. Landscape would be good. Depression Ray, yep. The Wheel of Potential, strong card. Soaring Mycospan. This one was also really strong, so we could still switch for green. This one is with a shiny little signature. Nice. From Breya. Okay, for now, not much good chances here. The Wheel of Potential will get an errata because there are still some words missing. Then you may pay X, or 7 more, blah blah blah. It's missing if you haven't paid, blah blah blah. So well, it's a good one. Faithful Watchdog, one of the clans, and Void Must Be Departed. The Lion Umber, really strong card. A Pearl Medallion. The Argent Dice, and the card that was directly banned in I think Pauper, was it? Pioneer? One of the old and strong ones. Nice, nice. The Wheel of Potential. Well, it's only so long until it gets completely errated. Missionary, the Little Dreadmaw. The Scare of Gremlins, this would also be very strong. One of the good doubles. Oh nice, we've got ourselves an Hugin's Labyrinth and a Consuming Corruption in the back. Very, very nice. This one is a really strong card, except for a sealed we would not have much good chances for that. But everything that is worked up with normal packages, really, really strong. Very strong. Absolutely nice. So, let's see for this one. And there's the next tram in the background. We've got Unfathomable Truth, we've got Air Auxiliary, some of the landscapes, strong cards I think, still. Strength of the Harvest, good one. Nice, Kalia of the Vast in the full art, very, very nice. Looking really, really good. We've got ourselves a Harbinger. This one is a modern card. Demon Inferior and a food token. Nice. The Harbinger of the Seas. I think it's a really strong static card. Or Merfolk. Merfolk, you have islands and you will go through. So, I've got a Bogart Trawler, one of good cards. Warren Soul Trader, I think really strong card. In my opinion, this one in black decks is a little bit of a weaker Phyrexian Altar. Because you can sack a creature, get a treasure token, and get some engine running. As long as you get a life back for the creature that is sacked, or you get a life back with the mana that you get for the treasure, this one is a Phyrexian Altar. Very nice. I really like the Soul Trader. Now let us see what kind of promo we do have. Heh, nice. Another Winged Wisdom with a stamp. And some of these numbers here. Very nice. Nado is a strong card. An evil card. So if you play it against it, directly remove it. It's way too strong. And here it's a code if you want it. So, thanks for watching. Let's see what we could get. Like I've already seen, a very nice Ugin's Labyrinth. Centered, strong, good card. Kalia is, you know it. Nado is strong. Warren Soul Trader, a Harbinger. Pearl Medallion is always good. This one is nice. Wheel of Potential, fun card. And a Null Drifter is also good to play. So, very nice setup. Thanks for watching.